In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Google Classroom quiz. Whether you're a teacher looking to distribute a paper version of a digital quiz or you simply need a hard copy for your records, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get the basics out of the way. You'll need to start by navigating to Google's homepage. From there, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you use for Google Classroom. This might be your personal account or one provided by your educational institution. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take a moment to type it in carefully. Following that, hit the Next button to proceed. Now you're signed in and ready to access your Google Classroom. To do this, look for the Google Apps menu, which is often found in the top right corner, symbolized by a grid of dots. Clicking here opens a drop-down menu displaying various Google apps. Scroll through these apps until you find Google Classroom, then click on it to open it. Once inside Google Classroom, it's time to navigate to your specific class. Locate and click on the Classwork tab, which should take you to where all your assignments, including quizzes, are listed. Find your quiz form from the list of assignments. It might help to know the title or the date when the quiz was assigned to quickly identify it amongst other tasks. Once you've located your quiz, open it by clicking on it. Now here's a key step. Look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, located near the top of the quiz form page. Click on these dots to reveal additional actions you can take. In the options that appear, you'll find Print. Go ahead and select it. Clicking this option will prepare your quiz for printing, allowing you to choose from various print settings. At this stage, you can adjust settings such as the printer you wish to use, the number of copies, and whether you want to print in colour or black and white. Once you've reviewed your settings and ensured everything is correct, hit the Print button to print your quiz. A couple of additional tips to make this process smooth. Make sure your printer is turned on and connected to your computer or network before you start these steps. This will save you the hassle of troubleshooting connection issues midway through. Also, if you're planning to distribute the printed quiz to students, consider the formatting. Google Forms is designed for digital use, so some elements might not translate perfectly to paper. Before printing multiple copies, it might be wise to print a single test copy first. This way you can check that everything looks good on paper, that instructions are clear, and that questions are formatted in an easily readable way. Furthermore, for those questions that require students to select from multiple choices, ensure that all options are clearly listed and that there's enough space for students to mark their answers. If you find any issues, you might need to manually adjust or annotate certain parts of the quiz before printing the final copies. Lastly, while the digital age has made managing classroom activities far more efficient, there are instances when a printed copy of a quiz is necessary, be it for accommodative purposes, to meet institution policies, or simply for personal preference. Knowing how to print your Google Classroom quizzes ensures that you're prepared for these situations. And there you have it, a simple guide to printing a quiz from Google Classroom. Whether you're a tech-savvy educator or new to digital classroom tools, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Happy teaching and good luck with your quizzes.